tornado warning for southeastern Allegan County and southwest Michigan until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported a developing tornado 6 miles northwest of Kalamazoo. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Milo is in the path of this storm. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Hastings, Middleville, Nashville, Plainwell, Morgan, Assyria, Banfield, Hickory Corners, Irving, Lacey, Dowling, Delton, Freeport, Orangeville, Woodland, Carlton Center, Welcome Corners. Milo, for protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. To report severe weather, contact the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids at 1-800-647-3836.
And everything looks to be in the state at this point. In fact, there is some rain showers onshore now, looking to move out of the area. So I think shortly we might downgrade to a green net at this point until we can see maybe some threatening weather on radar. And I'll see if W8SWX will concur with that decision. This is W8WXM.
Randy, that sounds good. If there's no special marine warnings or if there's no county surrounding us in a warning, yeah, I'm fine with that. Yeah, I think that's a good decision.